trash can like that.
Well, you probably would get some probably jewelry and silverware, right? Yeah. The what?
Right now, there's like $108,000 sitting on that safe.
I'm looking for a guy, may have come in a couple of days back. Parking thought he may have sat with you.
What's with the sun going on, bro? Your lights sensitivity or something? I know he said he saw him walking to the bus station. This is good because I don't get it. But the bus station, he said, pick up something. He got class. He remembers something.
If you want your life to change, you've got to change. If you want your life to get better, you've got to be better. You've got to commit to success. You've got to say, okay, well, if this is how hard I work to get it.
Oh! Drop Bluey. Sorry, Bluey. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to drop you. Oh, yeah, eyebrows flap, 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 flap. There we go. Good job. There's Bluey. Hey, Bluey. Mom. Dad. Bingo. And Bluey! Nice fun little Bluey. You can do all sorts of activities. You're my toddler in the back. She just can't wait to get to it. It's a little hard to record and do all it, but you can zipper. You can Velcro. You can unbutton.
What's you doing? What's you doing?
I'm showing them your Bluey. How cool he is. You can unbuckle this and untie. So many fun little things. This will keep her busy, maybe on a car ride or just in the house. She's gonna love doing this. She happens to be autistic, and things like this just keep her super engaged. And everybody loves Bluey. Everybody loves Bluey. So, even better. Very cute, very soft material. Anyway, very cute. Super cute baby Bluey.
Say it. Dental bill. That's why dental insurance from Physicians Mutual Insurance Company is important. Now, this isn't a discount plan or premium only coverage. It helps pay